Today I'll teach you how to create kill parts in Roblox Studio. These parts will kill the player when they touch them. To get started, let's add a part to the workspace. I'm just going to make it red. I'll just quickly resize it, anchor it, make it red, and I'm going to rename it to kill part. This can be named anything you want. Now let's add a script as a child of this part. So let's start by getting the kill part. So kill part equals script.parent. So all we're going to do is set the part that when touched kills the player, and we're just going to put that to a variable so that we can access it. Now let's create a function to kill the player. So function kill, passing in a collider, which will be a base part, and whenever the kill part is touched, we're going to call this function. So kill part dot touched :connect, and then we're going to call the kill function. Now whenever a part is touched and the touch function is called, the collider or hit part is always passed in. You'll often see this written something like this: function hit, like that. This is the exact same. So the actual hit, I've named it collider. This is the part that touches the kill part. So this could be another part in the game. It could be the player's right leg, right arm, left arm. It will never be the player's character. It'll always be the actual part that touched it. The character will be the parent of the collider. So let's get the player from that. So local player equals, and we need a method to get the player from the player's character. So let's go up the top and add the player service. So players is game : get service players. And now what we can say is local player equals players : get player from character. And this is a built-in method that will get the player from the player's character. And we're going to pass in collider.parent, because remember, collider will be a right arm, a right leg, left arm, left leg. So the parent will be the player's character. Now, if, for example, a part touched this, let's print out player quickly. Let's print player and hit play. So when I go and touch this part, it's fine. It says my player name. But if I add a part now, it prints nil, because the parent is nil, so we can't get a player from nil, so it will print nil. So now let's check if the player exists. So if player then, and if the player does exist, we're basically going to get their humanoid and set their health to 0. So local humanoid equals player.character : wait for child humanoid, because the humanoid is always part of the player's character, and then we'll just say humanoid.health equals 0, and this will kill the player. So now let's run over there. I've still got this part here. And as I touch it, it kills the player. Now, if we wanted to, we could make multiple of these. So I could just add on a snap of 5 studs, duplicate it, bring it across, and just keep doing this a few times. Now, suddenly we've got 5 kill parts. Now, if I hit test and play, as you can see, we've made a little obby here. And if I touch one of these, I still die. Now, this very quickly gets very demanding. So let me add a folder and rename this to kill parts. Actually, I'll call it kill parts and put all the kill parts in this folder. Now, how can we make this more efficient? Well, if you've got multiple kill parts, then what we could do is loop through each one and add a touched event to each one, which is what I'll do now. We could also do this with CollectionService. If you want more information on CollectionService, check out my tutorial going into the very basics of it. But for now, we can just achieve this with one single script. So let's take a script out of here and put it in workspace, and I'll rename this script to kill part handler. Now I'll delete all the scripts within the kill parts, open up the kill part handler. It's going to be the same code. The only thing we're going to change is this kill part. I'll call kill part folder, and this will be equal to workspace.killparts. And all we're going to do is, rather than saying kill part.touched: connect, we will keep that, but I'm going to also add a loop for underscore comma kill part in pairs kill part folder get children do, and I'm then going to put this code in here, and this will add this touched event to every single kill part in the folder. So now we've got one script that handles it all. Boom, we touch it and we die. And if we were to add more, let's quickly add another 5. So let's duplicate these and drag these ones over here. If I now press play, and I go over to one of these ones, die as well, and these ones have just been added. So there's absolutely no code in the actual kill parts now, but suddenly we've got a script that handles the kill logic for every single part. And this is amazing because we could now just create loads and loads of kill parts and it would be absolutely fine. As you can see, let's create loads over here. So we've got a bunch of kill parts, and suddenly I can touch every single one of these with just one script. There we go. And if we wanted to use CollectionService, again, check out my video on CollectionService if you don't understand what I'm about to do here. We can select every single kill part, go down to tags, click add, and let's create one called kill part. And now that every single kill part has got a kill part tag, we can open up the kill part handler script. Again, we don't even need to get the folder. All we need to do, we don't need to loop through everything. We can just say, first of all, let's get the CollectionService. So CollectionService equals game : get service CollectionService. And now what we could do is just say for underscore comma tag in pairs. And we're going to loop through CollectionService get tagged and the name of the tag, which is kill part. And in this loop, we'll just say tag.touched connect kill, and it will kill us. Now, I'm not a big fan of using CollectionService for stuff like this because I find it more tedious, to be honest, than just looping through everything in the folder. But this is really helpful if you've got multiple different things in the same folder. So if we've just got one folder, which is going to be named parts, and we've got 100 kill parts, 50 normal parts, and 30 health boost parts, for example, we can then tag just the kill parts and use this code to loop through them, which is a lot cleaner than having, for example, 3 different folders, one for kill parts, one for parts, and one for boost parts. Again, just for something like this, I wouldn't use CollectionService personally, but this is how you would do it if you wanted to. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, that is all. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I've shown you a few different ways of creating kill parts now. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out our Discord server, which you can find the link to in the description, where we're trying to build a community of future game developers. You can ask for help others, or just chat there. Once again, thanks for watching, and goodbye.